Firstly, what is a catalyst? A catalyst is something which speeds up a chemical reaction, but at the end of the reaction has the same mass as it had at the beginning of the reaction. This means that it is not used up in the reaction. It must, however, take part in the reaction, or we might as well not have it there at all.
Reporting live from Mississauga, Ontario, my name is Gavin and I'll be your host for the evening. And I'll be joined here by a special guest from the University of Waterloo to speak about catalytic chemistry. Our guest for the evening goes by the name of Kishore and he's an expert in catalytic chemistry, and he works at the University of Waterloo.
Hi, thanks for having me this evening. It's been a great pleasure.
No problem. It is also my pleasure. So, I'll like to start the interview off by asking you a few questions about your occupation. My first question for you today is, what caused you to become a catalytic chemistry?
I just became a catalytic chemist because I enjoyed the study of surface chemistry and chemical engineering, which I knew were the vital studies of the catalyst. Most importantly, I wanted to study auto mechanics catalysts because they hold a very important role in today's society.
Wow, that sounds like a very interesting topic, and I'm very impressed that you have had a goal and you've been set up to achieve it. On that note, what steps have you taken to ensure that you achieve that goal?
Well, that's a very good question. Achieving my goal took a lot of work. The field is well divided into scientists with PhD, master's, and bachelor's degree. A degree in organic chemistry with a strong inorganic background is useful. Good writing and math skills are also key in this field.
It seems like a very stressful workload, but you overcame it anyway. My next question for you is, how are the job opportunities and work conditions revolving around the career of a catalyst chemist?
We spend most of our time in the lab carrying out our own work, directing group research. Some time is spent at conferences, industry gatherings, and meetings with business groups, and customers who use catalytic processes. We also interface with the industry, giving us furthermore job opportunities such as the pharmaceutical industry.
It seems as though working as a catalyst chemist requires a great deal of time and effort to become successful in the field. Another question I would like to ask you is, what effect on society does being a catalyst chemist have, and are there any environmental impacts on our society which can be either negative or positive?
We are making and adapting emissions control catalysts that will spend time working in the automotive manufacturing. Furthermore, improve the conditions of the environment and advance technology in the automotive industry for the better of the society.
I believe that everyone here appreciates the improvements that you all as a collective group have made to better our society and make our environment better. A question that has been asked recently was how the use of organic chemistry can be directly related to the field of a catalytic chemist.
Organic chemistry can be directly related to catalyst chemistry because a use of a catalytic converter, for example, is an exhaust emission control device that converts toxic gases and pollutants in exhaust gas from an internal combustion engine to less toxic pollutants by catalyzing a redox reaction, which has to do with organic chemistry.
That's a very well said explanation. My final question for you for the evening: are there any interesting facts you would like to tell our audience about?
So the career of a catalyst chemist has taken a huge turn into today's society. Most new jobs in catalysts are in technology-driven catalyst companies that develop catalytic materials and processes.
Thank you for attending this interview, and it was a pleasure talking to you.
No problem. I had a wonderful time.